What's up, everyone? Earthy Memphis here. And back with another video. Today's gonna be short, but to the point. One thing that I've been discovering since going on this coding journey, I want to take it along with me. I was doing a video about me going through Codecademy for HTML and CSS to learn web development, but then I realized there's a better language for that and for everything else, and that's what I'm going to talk about in today's video. Okay, so that language is Python, and why you need to learn Python. Python is a versatile programming language that's easy to read, easy to code, very little syntax, and you can do a lot with it. You can develop websites with Django and Flags. You can also automate your boring stuff on boring computer tasks that you don't want to do over and over again. You can automate all that with Python. And along with that, you can actually use Python to create bots to be able to do tasks for you that's not on the computer. AI, machine learning. So those are all the reasons why I'm working on learning Python. I love Python because it's so easy to learn, so easy to read. With the other languages, I felt like I kept having to go back to okay, well, what's the syntax? Did I put a parentheses here? Did I put a bracket here? Did I put a semicolon here? With Python, you have none of that. It's straight to the point. And I feel like I learned the language faster because I don't have to learn the syntax. I focus all my time and energy on learning the functions, learning the classes, learning object-oriented programming. So, if you want versatile language that you can do a lot with and it's easy to learn, then I highly suggest learning Python. And you can do that right here with Codecademy. With this pro version, you can learn how to write Python in 25 hours. This Python program that I'm learning right now is a Codecademy course, 25 hours long, and takes you through everything you need to know to learn Python. So, if you're interested in learning Python, I have a link in the description below where you can get a month of free trial of Codecademy Pro, where you can learn classes of languages like Python, plus a lot of other languages. So once you learn Python, you can go back here and learn HTML or JavaScript or anything. They have it here. So do check that out. Link will be in the description. And be sure to subscribe for more vlogs, more videos about coding, my journey along the software development path. So yeah, check out and please hit that subscribe button, like button. Leave a comment below if you enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next video.